can make a ton of money this Q4 if you are selling on Amazon. And in today's video, I'm going to explain to you how you should proceed if you actually want to make a shit ton of money. But before we actually do, just so you know, on December 8th, 2024, okay, this year, this December 8th, at 6 p.m., we are gonna have a live class, live at 6 p.m. I'm going to explain to you how you can actually make a ton of money during 2025, okay, because things are changing with Amazon, you're seeing it. So we're going to have a live class and I'm going to share some of the products that I sold in the past. One of my best products, I've never done that, and I'm going to give you a list of my suppliers as well. So there's a link in the description if you want to join. Yeah, just join. And yeah, but like, let's talk about Q4 first, right now, right? If you want to make a ton of money during Q4, you should not think of stuff that is scalable for the rest of the year. There's going to be a lot of time-sensitive opportunities right now, stuff that you can pick up in store and sell the same day, right? So this is literally what I'm doing right now. So if you want to be successful during Q4, you need two things, okay? First of all, you need to be able to put in a lot of work. Second of all, you need a car with a lot of trunk space so you can have a route, go pick up your stuff, sell it FBM, go to the post office before it closes, send it FBM and make a shit ton of money so you can flip your money really fast. It's the goal this Q4. If you have limited capital, this is going to be the best time of the year for you to scale your business, all right? If you do not have a car with a lot of trunk space, like the one that I have right now, that I'm driving right now, it's fine. It's just that you're going to need to do more trip, all right? Worst case scenario, if you have a lot of bulky items, rent out a U-Haul and drive everywhere, pick up your stuff and drop it to the post office, all right? That's going to be the move. You can make a shit ton of money. It's really simple. Source at night. During the day, what you should do is go pick up orders and drop, like prep them and then drop them at UPS and USPS and FedEx. That's it. That should be your whole goal. You can make a shit ton of money. Right now it's the time. It's the time. Stop sending stuff FBA right now. There's so much money to be made. There's so much money that you can actually spend with stuff that you can ship FBA. Don't think about the stuff that is scalable for the rest of the year. Take advantage of these opportunities that are time sensitive, that are going to be just right now, especially right now since Black Friday is going to come, right? And there's already a lot of Black Friday deals with products that are really cheap. The issue is that a lot of these products, the stock is limited for store pickup. So you want to be fast as well, because with all the guys that are going to ship the stuff to their house and all that stuff, the price is going to tank a little bit. Okay, so go in store, do store pickup, put in work right now. You'll rest in January. All right. I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. There's another video dropping tonight because yes, it's Q4, so it's double the input with YouTube as well. And remember that we are having our live calls on December 8th. All right, I'll see you soon.